Thank you very much. Thank you. Hello, it's a pleasure to be here. Thank you, Ambassador Bell, for that generous introduction. It's always nice to have one's credentials read back. They sound better than they look on paper. It's really a pleasure to be here and to be talking about this topic with you. What I'm hoping to do tonight is to talk to you about human rights, but really to give you a sense of what it looks like to consider human rights from the perspective of my discipline of anthropology, which may or may not be familiar to you. I think my hidden agenda tonight is to encourage people who are used to thinking about world affairs in a serious way to take anthropology seriously as part of that consideration, and certainly considering culture in relation to human rights, I think is very important, and we'll see at the end of my talk if I've convinced you that any of that is true. This question that I've tried to encapsulate in the title of the presentation is very much at the heart of my discipline, although, let's see if I can advance this here. My primary research, you may have gotten a little bit of a sense of it from hearing about some of the topics of some of my papers. The primary trajectory of my research has not really been in human rights. My main research area is gender and law. My primary research for my dissertation was in Senegal, West Africa, and I looked at family violence, domestic violence in particular, in the context of national family law. It wasn't really until 2006 when I was accepted to participate in this 6-week summer institute. The National Endowment for the Humanities has this wonderful program where they invite scholars to spend part of a summer working together, often in an interdisciplinary environment, considering a particular set of issues, and I was fortunate to participate. And it was really quite exhilarating, and certainly for the first several weeks, there was this sense of being part of a gathering of very smart people from many different disciplines considering important issues. And certainly when we talk about human rights, we have this sense that we're talking about something quite important.